Hi guys, heading into this video guys will experience some background noises for the reason being I was at school. I tried my best editing them out but was unable to. I hope you guys enjoy because this is my first time doing YouTube and I'm getting the hang of editing and noise cancellation. So
stop looking at me. 5, 6, 7, 8. I got hair and clean underwear. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time.
hi Kurls and welcome back to Teaching. For today's video, we'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to define your curls. For today's video, we'll be showing you the products to use, how to mix products, and techniques you can use to define your natural hair. My client here was already previously washed a couple days before. She just wanted to style it. The style that we have for today will be cornrowing the front of the hair and defining the back of her hair. The reason being is because she doesn't want to have her hair on her face. So let's get into it. Okay, the products that we'll be using obviously water, gel of your choice. I recommend this gel because it leaves the hair moisturized and shiny. A leave-in conditioner of your choice. I choose to use Kurls by Anti-Jackies. And a oil or a honey to help break the cast. And my personal opinion is heat protection spray because obviously we're in the sun and the sun can be very damaging for the hair as well. So this is my lovely classmate Hannah. She will be my client for today. I draped her to prevent any spillage on her uniform because as we said before, we spray the hair with water to help break it down. So that's what we're going to do today. Get the hair saturated if it's a case where it has been washed and left out for some time because it's dry and need moisture. Fully saturating the hair and adding your leave-in conditioner will be now detangling the hair. I think when it comes to detangling the hair, it's not to go straight to the root. You should part the section and comb from end to root to prevent breakage, knots, and so forth. Please know that you're supposed to use white tooth comb. Small tooth combs will cause tearage and rip the hair out. We said before we detangle from the ends to the root. We don't detangle from the root to the ends. That will cause breakage and tearing out the hair. So detangle from the ends to the root, and if it's stuck, you just detangle and then you just go back at it. So as you can see, we have already sectioned the hair, the front and the back. So for the front, we'll be cornrowing it, and the back will be defining the curls. So as you can see, the back is sectioned into 5. This will help us with brushing up the hair to help with defining it easier. This will help you guys when defining your curls because it will give you a smaller section to work with and it will be easier to handle. So we're going to start with the front. We're going to cornrow the hair and come back to you. We'll finish cornrow the front of the hair. Now we'll be heading to the back where we will be redamping the hair and applying our leave-in conditioner once more. So we'll be working in the 5 sections that we have parted out in the back. So as I said, we'll redamp the hair to give a base for the leave-in conditioner and curling and the gel to adhere on. I will be having a detangle brush to detangle the hair more. And adding our leave-in conditioner now. And we are just raking it through the hair to get the hair fully saturated. So then we have parted out a smaller section from the small section that we have already. And as you can see, her curl pattern is already showing. So for a good amount of curling gel and be applying it to the hair, we'll be raking it through, not just simply pasting it on. And you can see her hair is starting to curl already. Rake the product into her hair. In case where your hair doesn't curl up easily, you can always twine the hair around your finger. Last section on her head, we have redamped the hair already and apply our leave-in conditioner, and now we'll be raking the gel through her hair again. As I said before, if it's a case where you have a looser curl pattern and you want a more defined curl, you can always wrap this hair around your finger to create coils. As you can see, the leave-in conditioner and the gel mix properly because it doesn't create any white cast or any product residue on her hair. So we have finished curling her hair. We will be applying the heat protectant. This also acts as a oil which helps not to dry out her hair. If it's a case where we went under the dryer to fully dry her hair, we would have used the pot aid to break the cast. But for today, we won't be completely drying it. We will let it hair dry. So that is